Yeah, you're off. Go back. A little more. A little more. A little more. A little more. Right there. Let me see. Yeah, you're still off. A little more. You can count that. Center. I usually try to get as level as I can here. So you could go 84 inches, 7 feet. Based off 20-degree ramp.
Bronco Raptor RTI rating on an official 20-degree ramp. It went up 84 inches with 116.1-inch wheelbase times 1,000 gives us a rating of 723. Let's compare it to other four-door models. 35-inch Sasquatch package Broncos around 560, 35-inch Rubicon Wrangler with the Extreme Recon package 682. I was honestly impressed that it beat the live axle Wrangler and did above 700, which that's great for an independent front suspension vehicle. Let's look at two-door models to compare. 35-inch Sasquatch package Bronco, 648, 34-inch Wrangler Rubicon, 830. The 830 number, I got that off the forums, it's not official. But what I also want to point out on this is how tire size affects an RTI rating. So a standard Bronco Badlands, which I think has a 33-inch tire, Ford publicizes it at 700, so you can see how our rating drops to 648 with 35-inch tire because it has to tuck a larger tire up in the front end, which makes the Bronco, in my opinion, even more impressive that it got 723 in comparison to the other vehicles with a 37-inch tire. So, if you wanted to know, haven't seen it online yet, but here we are. Bronco Raptor RTI rating, 723.